Melissa, you published a book.
I'm about to. It hasn't
About
come
to
out.
publish.
Yeah, it hasn't come out yet. This is really exciting. I'm very close to revealing the name of the book and showing the cover and getting it out there.
Okay.
After 20 years in this business, and all the social media but I have stories, many stories. And I believe some of the questions that I have received or that I get, over the years has been, how do you do it? How do you juggle commercial real estate, your marketing business, your going live behind the scenes, volunteering your time, running all these social media groups? And the answers are in that book. But again, trade secrets.
Okay.
But it's really there. The book is really, I love my book editor. She says something about, I take you through, all the kind of the trials and tribulations with my humor. And to be honest with you, my book is very much like talking to me. I'm as real as it can get. And, it may not be a G book, but it's definitely a Melissa book.
What is the, let's see, what was I going to ask? Do you have a publisher or are you self-publishing?
It's Daily House is in Reno. That is my book editor. And then we're kind of going from there. We have some connections and some ties to that. So we're going to see where it takes us, but it's all very exciting, and it's taken a lot longer than I anticipated. Writing a book is not just about you start typing and then everybody wants to become an author. That's not why I did that. Why I really felt compelled to do this for myself was also because I'm constantly helping others. I'm answering all these questions all the time. And what better way to do that is just put everything into that book and show what I've done and help people and guide them to some of the stuff that we've actually talked about. A lot of that stuff is addressed, that detail is addressed in the book. And I really feel that this is going to help a lot of small business owners. This is going to help a lot of people in business that are just have kind of flatlined. They've reached that plateau and they just don't know where to go at that point because they just don't know how. And I'm hoping that this will, help them too.